Hi intentionals, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can do your own perfect full grain Tom Brown cereals that's very healthy for your kid, for your family, and if you want to gain weight, this is a perfect. So let's dive into the video and I will show you the things you need and how you can go about it. Just get your grain and select stones from them, or because grains can have so much stones, dirt and sand. When you are done selecting these stones, you wash thoroughly, like wash them one after the other as much as you can till the water becomes very clean. Alright, when you are done, just drain them and keep them all aside so that the water will all drain off from your grains. Then you get them ready. When they are all drained off, you will see things. We are using rice, millet, tiger nuts, dates, soya bean, granules, yellow corn and guinea corn. This is my own version and I am certain that this is good. When you are done, layer them to take them to the oven. If you don't have oven, don't worry. By all means, use your frying pan to toast them till it is golden brown. When it is golden brown, you allow it to cool for a while. Then you set it ready for grinding. Here I am using 2 spices. I'm using black pepper and clove. It's optional, but I love it, so I'm making use of this. Alright, please, if your blender at home cannot carry this, take it to the mill. Don't stress yourself. Don't spoil your blender for yourself because you saw people using their own blender. They might not be the same strength with your own. So take them to the mill, especially when you want to do for mass production, like you want to get into business with it. So we are home after blending it, and this is what we are having. Very smooth and beautiful. So our Tom Brown cereal is ready. All right, so get this vision, get this rema, start a business today. Nobody is coming to help you. This is 2025. You must start something doing for yourself. Get this business idea I've shared with you, run with it, and by the end of the year you'll be smiling. All right, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in comment section, tell me whatever it is you want. Thank you very much. God bless you.